Hello, guys. Good evening. Today we will discuss about budget. So, in the context of budget, first we will understand what is financial administration. Okay. Here, financial administration means the management of finance. What kind of finance? The finance of a state or of a public authority. Means here the public authority which have the power of taxing and spending. Means the public authority has the power to collect tax as well as to spend the money. Okay, so here financial administration is one of the important aspect of public administration, and this financial administration it operates through budget. It operates through budget. Okay, so here budget is the core aspect of financial administration. Here we'll see that budget is very important in administration, because without budget the administration of an organization would not be successful. So budget has a significant place in administration. We can say that wherever administration is there means budget is there. Okay, so here financial administration is very important to government. Means government requires sound financial administration to function. There are some definition uh, defined by some of the famous scholar. Here, one of the definition is L.D. White. L.D. White says, administration, every administrative activity has its financial implication. Either it creates a charge on the treasury or making a contribution to it. From this definition, we learn that every administrative activity that has involvement with finance, either it creates charge on it, means either it spends money from it, or it contribute money to it, or it generate funds to it. Okay, so administration means there is financial involvement, means whether it spends the money or whether it generate the money or levy the tax. So here another another scholar, Kautilya, who is known as popularly Chanakya, he says that all undertaking depends on finance. Means whatever we do, that depends on finance. For we can say the simple we can take the simple example. Means whatever undertakings, means whether it is individual undertaking or group undertaking, but that depends on finance. Without finance, without budget, without money, we can't do anything. Another commission, that is Huber commission, that here clearly says that financial administration is the core of modern government. We know here what is modern government. Modern government is uh, here recognized as welfare government, and earlier we know that the government had only limited function. What is its limited function? It used to perform the function of collection of tax, um, mm, maintenance of law and order, maintenance of security. These were only its traditional function. But when the concept of uh, welfare state comes, the scope of modern government is widened. And here, in welfare states, we know state interferes each and every aspect of human life. Means the government has to deal with the vast societal problem, and here that needs money. Another scholar here, Lloyd George, who says that government is finance. Means he here make uh, he equalize government as finance. Means government is equal to finance. Okay, so from this definition we learn that um, we learn that uh, administration and finance, these are inseparable, two inseparable concept. Means administration and finance are inseparable as body and shadow. We know wherever body moves, shadow also moves. Therefore it is said that wherever there is administration, means it requires finance, it has financial involvement. So all administrative activities, all administrative acts that involves expenditure of money, and these expenditure of money and uh, uh, expenditure of money and the collection of tax, this is called here uh, budget. So here we can say that budget is one kind of calculation plan. Yeah, calculation plan means what calculation plan? The calculation plan of income and expenditure. Okay, so here again we can say that there are four agents that actively involved in financial administration. Who are these four agents? These four agents are um, the first one is the executive. Who is executive here? Executive is the main duty of executive is to implement the plan policy, and to implement the plan policy it requires fund, and it requires fund, and when the fund is granted to it, it spends the fund for the welfare, for the development of the state. The second agent is here legislature. Here legislature, it is the power of legislature that controls the executive. How it controls the executive? Means unless and until legislature grants the money to the executive, they are not able to spend a single penny, or they are not able to levy a single rupees tax. So here legislature grants the fund and appropriates them to particular ministries and departments. The third one is the here finance ministry. It's the finance ministry on behalf of executive prepares the budget, and it has also power to control the expenditure. Then the last one is your audit. What it does, it makes judgment over the way in which funds have been spent. It means the way legislature has been sanctioned appropriate the money that has to be spent on the same purpose or in the same way, and that is here judged by the audit. So these are the four important agents that are involved in financial administration. Okay, students, it is enough for now. Uh, in the next class, we will discuss about the budget.